I'm sorry.
Okay. She's too ticklish.
I don't know.
There we go. Okay, this is gonna take a while. It's gonna be a long adjustment here. It's a little stress.
Ow.
She's already hurting. She's already hurting. Yeah. If that.
I'm falling asleep.
Good.
I'm falling asleep in this point of view.
Yeah, I gotta drop your head. Gotta get it.
Oh. Ow.
Oh,
Wait, hold on. I need to sit down.
shoddy bag. Drop your head a little more on your hand. Yeah.
Oh.
That was a lot.
I'm kind of dizzy.
She's not ticklish anymore, see? Relax. It's a there. God.
Wow, that was loud.
Okay, it's a tap. Oh. See? Shoddy? Huh? Yeah. This is going to be good for the hip area too, that low back. There it goes. There it was.
That was nice. That was
good.
like a double. That was loud.